Hi friends, I am having trouble with video. Keep recording things and nothing's showing up. So welcome to January's box for Potomac Beads. I'm excited to share with you guys. I'm not sure what's going on, but we will keep trying. All right, Fireside Warmth Treasure Box. This is January's box. Imagine a rustic log cabin nestled among towering pines, its soft golden light glowing through frosty windows. Rich bronze and brass tones featured in round duos, check rounds, and metal findings are the backdrop for this color palette. The verdant green of a conifer forest is represented by check glass daggers and gemstones, crystals, disc duos, and super duos in the warmth tones of a crackling fire on a crisp winter evening. Add a bit of warmth, escape into the tranquility of a snow-covered forest with this warm and earthly palette. It is a beauty. Hopefully this time it'll work. I don't know. I think this is my third or fourth time trying to record. I'm not quite sure what's going on with my computer. Anyways, so we have these lovely brass connectors. I can't wait to try these out. I'm excited. And these, nope, where are they? Ah, here they are. These crystals, chattins, get glued inside this lovely little fella. If I can get one out. Just like that, with glue, obviously. How fun is that, right? I call that colored chili. I really like these stars. I think these are beautiful. How pretty are those? And we have some lovely brass rings, some red Picasso super duos, very pretty, some topaz crystals, so pretty. Look at that AB. Some ancient gold round beads, some check dagger beads. I like these fire agate. Look at that strand. So pretty. So simple but beautiful. Some crystal, yellow crystal. Some champagne luster disc duo beads. Some garnet colored round check beads. This really pretty check glass. It's three-sided. Very pretty. Green glass nuggets. And our Mayuki in metallic brown iris and jet bronze round duo beads. Thank you, Potomac. What a beautiful box.